guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I will take you guys with in a day in my life here in LA. I am shooting an editorial or story for the latest magazine, which is going to be really fun. And today's video is actually sponsored by TULA skincare, which I'll show you guys a little bit more later in the video. I'm gonna go to Sammy's place and we're gonna do a little girls group workout. We've really noticed like we love to work out, you know, or go classes and do this together to kind of motivate each other. Obviously gyms have been closed over last year, so Sammy's gonna lead a workout and we're just gonna do this like all together. It will be fun. And then after, my call time is at like 10:30. Let's get going because our workout starts at 8 today. Sammy lives like 5 minutes away from me by car and I still don't know how to drive there without maps. It is so bad. And this is like a bad habit. I always put maps on wherever I go, and this way I just like don't learn where to actually go. But you know, we will get there. Good morning, Sammy.
Hello, hello.
Look how much energy is there. And everyone loves puppies. Oh my god, we finished the 30-minute upper body. It literally only takes like 30 minutes to get like a good workout in, and obviously Sammy is like cheering us up here, which is really good. So I'm gonna head home now, get ready quickly, and I'm off to my shoot. Great job, girls! Girl spot! Alright, workout done. I always feel so much better when I just do the workout in the morning. I just feel like more energized and stuff, and at the end of the day I just feel like way too tired. I'm going to get ready, do a little skincare routine. I'm a little sweaty right now, and this will start in the shower. The first step in my skincare routine is washing my face with the TULA face cleanser. Especially after a workout, I want to get rid of all the sweat and impurities. This one is gel based and is very gentle on the skin. It has probiotics which help maintain the skin balance. I rinse it off quickly, a cold shower, and I'm done. So fresh today. I'm going to do a little like skincare routine, and I always like before a shoot try to moisturize and like hydrate it really well, because they're going to be using a lot of like makeup and stuff, so kind of want to give it some extra love. And lately my skin has been extremely dry. So step one, little face mist. I'm going to feel very fresh. So I've actually been using the TULA cleanser already for a year or so, but now I actually discovered also their serum. This is like the illuminating serum. It's going to give my skin like nice hydration, and this one actually works really well when you have darker spots. I have some here from like the sun, even though I wear so much sunscreen, but I'm going to add a little one here. So TULA is actually founded by a doctor who really saw the benefits of using probiotics in skincare. So all the products are made with like superfoods and probiotics. It helps restore like the microbiomes in the skin, and it's like a very powerful ingredient which kind of like soothes and like nourishes the skin. So I actually take probiotics myself every morning in like a pill form, but now in this way I also get it in my skincare. Then I'm going to use a little bit of oil. And here I always love to give my face like a little bit of an extra face massage. I always feel it like tightens up a little bit, and especially for like a shoot, it's super important. There we go. I had my gua sha somewhere, but I don't know, I think I probably lost it. Then especially for like darker spots, I love using the Rose Glow from TULA. This is like a brightening and cooling eye balm. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so this one works really well when you have like darker circles, and you can actually wear this underneath makeup but also on top of makeup, which makes it super multifunctional. As you guys know, most of my skincare products are always clean, and TULA is also cruelty free, so it's not tested on any animals. If you want to try it out, you can use code wellness on their website right now for 15% off. I will link it in the description down below so you can go check it out yourself. The last step of my routine is going to be some sunscreen. Obviously, I have a feeling we are shooting outside today because most of the shoots now, you know, with like COVID and pandemic are like outside. So, and my little skincare routine is ready. So I always try also to wash my hair before I go to set, because you never really know what they want to do with it, and I feel that's just kind of like professional to, you know, arrive on set with like clean hair and like clean skin. I also am going to air dry it because they often use like tools like hair dryers and like curling irons, and it brings a lot of heat on your hair. And I've really noticed that putting like less heat on it and like air drying it just a little healthier. You see, my hair is getting so long actually. It's probably also the supplements I'm like taking and washing it less that has been super helpful. Anyway, I'm going to change quickly and then I'm going to get ready for the day. So we're all fresh. I just put like a quick simple outfit on. This is actually from Anina Bing. I really love her stuff. It just fits so well. It's always like kind of cool and like oversized. And these pants, I don't know, I have to check where they're from. AG jeans, kind of cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a quick breakfast and then I'm going to drive over. I hope there's not so much traffic. Traffic in LA, I always thought it was gonna be like really bad, but because of still COVID and stuff, it's not as bad, but it starts to pick up. I bought these at Trader Joe's and I kind of like mix and match them, but like it's weird. They look like very healthy, but why are they hanging like that? 2 days ago they were like all right up. Weird. Okay, breakfast time. What do I want to eat? Fell a little bit apart, but it works. Just a quick little breakfast. These look really weird. Actually, I got these from the Japanese store and look how orange they are. This is how eggs are supposed to look like instead of like the yellowish I get in most of the American stores. And just some rice crackers with avocado. I wish I had some bread, but I think Max ate it all yesterday. And the reason why I don't put my egg on the avocado right now is when the egg is really warm and you put it on the rice cracker, I don't know why, but your rice cracker just becomes very like soggy. I'm gonna run quickly through all my emails and then head out. So Sanne, where are we going? We're going to West Hollywood. It's like a 30-minute drive. I'm a little bit late. The last time that I actually shot editorial, I did some in Europe. Everything just has been kind of close, so I'm curious. Oh my god, I'm so scared when I see trucks and cars. Yeah. Like I like driving, but when there's like traffic, it's just like freaks me out.
And all the people with their who don't use your light signals and come into your lane.
Yeah, and also they're like 8 lanes, so I'm like looking in my mirror and like holy shit.
That's why you're driving and not me.
I know, right? Oh my god, guys, before I had my driver license, Jessie had to bring me everywhere, and it was, in a way, no, I didn't like it that I was dependent on someone,
but I did enjoy not driving, and now like Jesse never drives it. I'll drive on the way back. You drive on the way back. We are here. I honestly don't really know if I'm able to vlog on set because COVID regulations, and also sometimes with editorial they're not really cool with it, so I need to like ask the photographer and the stylist and stuff if that's okay. But if I can, I am going to take you guys with me. We are on a parking lot actually. We're outside because obviously with COVID we can't do like shoots inside. We want to have like fresh air. And I got crazy here, guys. This is my dream hair. I love it so much. This is amazing. I'm all ready. Look at this. My outfit is on. I really get like Jessica, what is it? Jessica Parker feelings here from Sex and the City. Anyway, I'm gonna wait and we're gonna go shoot on the roof here. It's gonna be really fun. So today we are shooting for the latest magazine, and this will be future about me and about Easy. I'm walking upstairs right now to the roof, and we're lucky because we have sun today. So we're doing our second look. I did like a hair and makeup change, and I'm wearing this like big coat. Pretty. And I'm gonna take some more pictures. So I finished today's shoot. It was really fun, and the hair I got, I was just obsessed with it. I kind of wanted to just keep it for the day, but they also like put some extensions in there, so obviously it just looked so much better on set. And then after I took this extension out, it was like one day my hair is gonna grow that big. But kind of started off like super simple, and then within a couple hours we put like more makeup on and things like that. So yeah, that was fun. And now I'm chilling on my bed. I'm tired. I'm not used to shooting as much anymore. Before I did this like every single day, but yeah, just hanging out. It's funny because I feel Max like never hangs out up here, like he sleeps, but I just like sometimes just love to lay in the bed and just, I don't know, be on my phone or whatever. But the only bummer now is that I'm looking at so much work or so much clothing, because look at all this mess, and right there, it's literally been piling up there for like 2 weeks, and it just becomes worse and worse and worse. And every time I'm like, I will do tomorrow. So I think today's gonna be the day that I'm going to clean that up. It just like doesn't fit in my closet. That's it. I can't also hang out here when it's like super messy. So. A while ago a big closet sale here in LA. Obviously this was not accessible to everyone, so I'm doing another closet sale, but this time on Poshmark online. So all the proceeds will be donated to Casa Youth Shelter, and yeah, you can get some nice items off my closet. So yeah, you can go check that out. I am almost there. This is why it becomes a mess every time. The amount of workout clothes I have is just insane, and all of that still needs to go in there. So what I'm going to do is take everything out and make something new here. It is done. So here I have all my like nudes, the green, the blues, the blacks, and the pink. All these pinks didn't fit, but it is what it is. I need to find a solution for that. Maybe like empty out a different kind of spa. But that was it. I am tired right now. I'm going to order some dinner probably tonight, just kind of like hang out, because today was a busy day. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys very soon. Love you guys.